Here's the truth. The average sales conversion rate of prospect to buyer is under 2%. Most internet entrepreneurs are unable to make a single sale online. Why? They aren't positioning the right offer in front of the right audience. They aren't able to create a compelling sales process. They don't know how to use micro commitments to drive action. They haven't built up any credibility with their prospects. They aren't able to connect emotionally with their visitors. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Here's the real problem you're facing. Today's customers want to feel a personal connection to what they're buying and who's selling it. Customers are more skeptical than ever before and have an impulse to click off a page that doesn't quickly capture their interest. And worst of all, it's getting even more difficult to create a sales process that's competitive, and it gets more difficult by the day. But luckily for you, there's now a solution. Introducing the One Funnel Away Challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge will allow you to discover exactly how to guide a prospect through a sales process into a conversion, gives you step-by-step advanced training on how to build highly effective sales funnels, teaches you how to build and scale a successful marketing campaign, gives you expert tactics on driving highly targeted traffic to your offer, teaches you how to avoid the mistakes over 95% of internet marketers are making that are preventing them from achieving their income goals, gives you the expert methods used by top internet marketers that allow them to create a business that runs on autopilot, gives you the game plan top millionaire marketers would use if they had to start all over again from day one with nothing, teaches you how to build a loyal following of engaged, ready-to-buy fans, teaches you the mental games you must play with yourself in order to achieve success at any level, and gives you the secret techniques used by ultra-successful internet marketers to consistently drive and convert traffic like crazy. Hi, my name is Brian Rhodes, and by now you're probably asking, who are you, and how can you make these claims? Here's why I can make these promises to you. I've spent nearly 10 years in the internet marketing space, written 2 books on sales funnels and marketing, created dozens of highly converting sales funnels, provided one-on-one coaching and mentoring, and thousands of people, including myself, have used this system to build their 7-figure businesses. Here's me at one of my one-on-one coaching sessions. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at this. Here's some proof. Check out what people are saying. Debbie Donaldson. I have a tremendous amount of experience in marketing, sales, and leadership. I devoured Russell's books as soon as they arrived. However, I knew I needed help. I signed up for OFA, and having a functioning funnel, thanks to you and Russell, it has made almost $1,000 in just a few days. Thank you so much. See what people love this system. Papillion luck. I'm lost for words at the OFA challenge. The knowledge gained is totally life-changing. We're now ready for you. We're not skeptical, and we're ready to change our Shopify ways. Big love, Papillion luck. Yes, that is my real name. See you all in Nashville. Check out how this person was able to achieve their goal. Justin Humphreys. The One Funnel Away Challenge changed my life. I'm not even joking. Let me explain. For the last 10 years, I've been trying to make this internet marketing thing work. I bought course after course, training after training. I've logged thousands of hours learning and doing, but nothing, and I mean nothing, stuck. I couldn't ever get any traction. When the 30-day summit and book came out, I got so excited because I thought if I can learn from 30 millionaires what they during the pre-launch, I started to believe again. Not believe that it's possible in general, but actually believe that I can do it. No, not that I can do it, but that I will do it. After so many years of failure, I began to doubt myself deep down, even though outwardly I wanted to believe I could succeed. Throughout the challenge, I have had so many epiphanies that I can't even begin to list them all, but one of the biggest for me was that even though I knew how to do online marketing, I was always missing one major piece. In 10 years online, I never learned how to actually sell. I learned countless tactics and strategies. I learned about the psychology behind why a certain landing page works and others don't. And the list goes on. Shout out to Stefan. His coaching calls have been immensely valuable. I've learned something from every single one of his calls. Words don't really do justice to how grateful I am for how he's changed how I see everything. And here are even more. Here's exactly what you get with the One Funnel Away Challenge, a step-by-step over-the-shoulder training on how to leverage funnels to convert traffic. The 30 days, 550-page hardcover book of interviews of 30 millionaires who were asked a simple question. If you had to start from nothing, what exactly would you do starting today? An MP3 player preloaded with advanced trainings you can listen to anywhere on the go. A spiral-bound physical notebook that contains checklists, brainstorming sections, and tons more to help you plan your business, and behind-the-scenes interviews with 2 Comma Club award recipients. And if you act now, you get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, 30 days of video training provided by the legendary Russell Brunson, who is the founder of ClickFunnels. Bonus number 2, 30 days of coaching from millionaires and funnel experts Steven Larson and Julie Stone. Bonus number 3, full 30-day, no question asked, money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're completely unsatisfied with the One Funnel Away Challenge at any time, you can request a full and immediate refund. But you have to act now before it's too late. This challenge closes on February 24th at 9 p.m. So get on board with the One Funnel Away Challenge now. If you want to leverage a marketing tool called a sales funnel to create a sales process that makes your offer irresistible. It teaches you how to analyze the competition with laser-like intensity to understand how others in your market are having such massive success, and create excitement and desire in your customers that literally gets them begging for what you have to offer. Take action now.